I am from Singapore.
But which part of India?
Hyderabad.
Swati, you missed only 2 sessions. You please take the recording from Durga management, okay?
Okay, sir. Sure, sir. Noted. Thank you.
Okay. So while listen the recordings, if you have any doubts, you can ask the questions the next class. Huh?
Okay, sir.
Of course, I'm not yet started the actual topic. We are demo sessions only. Okay.
Okay.
Understand, Swati?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Fine. Okay. Last class, we were discussing about. Everyone can view my screen. Hello. Yes, all of you can view my screen. Everybody.
Yes.
Yes,
Good.
yes.
But this running notes I'm not received. You will be sending or management will send?
Running notes I will send once your formality is completed. Formalities in the sense what? Registrations.
Okay.
Once registrations are completed, okay, then I will provide the running notes.
Registration in the sense that fees I need to pay or what is the registration process?
Okay, financial issues. I don't want to talk regarding. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
The materials. Okay. And also what? Recordings. Everything I will provide after completion of what? Registration. If that is institute rule. Okay. Fine.
Okay. Fine.
Apeksha, any doubts? Apeksha, do you have any doubts? Yeah, tell me, what is your doubt? You can unmute. Apeksha? Yeah, including Apeksha. Including that one, including recordings. The last class, we were discussing about, something like Salesforce clouds. Yesterday absent? Salesforce clouds. And Salesforce what? Partners. Understand? So these are the 2 topics in the last class we discussed. Salesforce clouds means marketing cloud, sales cloud, service cloud, and also we were discussing about post.com, data.com, database.com, commerce cloud, Einstein cloud, health cloud. I just give brief discussion regarding what all these clouds. Okay. And coming to Salesforce partners, we have developerforce.com, dreamforce.com,
Apexin.com.
So these are the Salesforce partners we discussed. Only these are the 2 points we discussed in the last class. The students who are not attended yesterday's class, please take the recordings from the Durga management. Understand? So let me start today's class. 14th. Today's class, I'm going to discuss about versions of Salesforce. Second one, editions of Salesforce. Third one, we will discuss about environments of Salesforce. So let me start with versions of Salesforce. Tell me, generally in software field, versions always numeric format, yes or no? Come on. Suppose take the example, Java language. Java is a programming language or not? Come on,
Yes,
guys.
programming language.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
C, C++,
1.0.
Java, these are all programming languages. You know, Java first version released in 1.0, late 1990s. Then after 2.0. Then after 3.0. Like that, the latest version of Java is 11.0. Same way, you take Oracle. Oracle is a database, yes or no? That everybody knows.
Yes, sir.
Oracle version 1.0, then 2.0,
2.0.
then 3.0. Okay, then 7.0, then 8.0. After that, 8i, then 9i, 10G, then after 11G, 12C, 13C. Like this, what is the current version? 23C.
23C.
Here, what is I stands for? Internet technology. You know what is G stands for? Grid technology. What is C stands for?
Cloud
Cloud
technology.
technology. Like that, you take either Java or Oracle or any other technology. All versions in software field are in what format? Come on,
Numerical.
numeric format. Sir, no, these are all numeric values, correct? But the importance of Salesforce is Salesforce versions. Salesforce versions are not in, what is this?
Numeric format.
Salesforce versions are in format,
Season.
seasons format. Every year, Salesforce releases 3 versions depending on, come on, seasons. One is winter version,
Sure.
then spring, then after what year? Come on,
Summer.
summer version. Winter version, spring version, and summer version.
Summer.
So 2 days back, winter version completed. Just 2 days back, winter 23 completed. Now, spring 23. We are using which version here? Spring 23 version. Okay, you people are learning what? Spring 23. So if anyone asks at time of interview, which version of Salesforce you learned, you have to tell the answer what? Come on.
Spring 23.
Spring 23 version. Now someone got a doubt here. What is 23 here? The 23 represents what? Year number. You understand what I am speaking here? Everyone in the class. What is this?
Yes, sir. Year number.
So what is the proof? How can we see? What is the current version you are learning? See here, guys. Login.salesforce.com. So training swaminternational.com. Login. Switch to Salesforce Classic. I'll explain you what is Classic and what is Lightning. Look at this, everyone. Please read this, all of you. What is this? Spring 23 for developers. Understand? So whenever version changes, automatically this logo has been changed. Understand, all of you? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Version to version, this logo is going to change. This picture is going to change. Is all of understand? So what is the current version you people are learning? Come on, guys.
Spring 23.
Spring 23.
Spring
version.
23.
Okay. After spring 23, we will enter into summer. And again, winter 23 like this. Winter 24 like that. Every year, Salesforce releases how many versions? 3 versions.
See.
Each version, each version tenure is how many months?
4 months.
4 months.
4 months. Good. It is all about what here? Versions of sales. Right. So each version tenure is how many months? 4 months. That is all about versions of Salesforce. Next, editions of Salesforce. What are the editions of Salesforce? See, guys. So before I'm going to discuss about editions, first let me discuss about what is the meaning of edition. Edition means, for your understanding, I can say plan. What is this? Hello. Plan. Actually, this is my number 95534 95532. This is my number. It's a postpaid connection. I took this connection in 2013. From which company? Come on. Idea.
Idea.
So before I'm going to take this connection from Idea company, first of all, I need to meet some executive. Yes or no? Idea executive. This Idea executive
Yes.
is going to explain about the plans which is developed by Idea company as per the customer's requirement. Yes or no?
Yes.
Like 149 rupees plan per month, 249 rupees plan per month, 349 rupees plan per month, 449 rupees plan per month, like that. Okay, they develop different types of plans. Yes or no? Based on the customer's usage. Suppose if I subscribe 449 rupees plan per month, then I will get this kind of facilities. Suppose if I make a call from Idea to Idea company, if I make a call from Idea to Idea, it might be a free call. If I make a call from Idea to maybe some other company like Airtel or Vodafone or Jio, it could be 5 paisa per minute. Yes or no? Or every day I'm getting 1 GB data free. And also I will get unlimited SMS free. Understand the point clearly? So this kind of facilities I will get if I subscribe what? 449 rupees plan per month. Yes or no?
Yes.
Suppose if any other subscriber, okay, take 114 rupees plan per month, okay, he may not get this kind of facilities. Like that, plan to plan, plan to plan. So facilities are going to change. Yes or no? Come on, guys.
Yes, sir.
Facilities
Yes,
will
sir.
vary. Same way, the way how Idea company provided or design different types of plans based on the customer's usage. Same way, Salesforce company developed what? Different types of editions based on the usage. All of understand? And these editions are divided into how many? 5 types.
5 types.
We have 5 types of editions, which is given by Salesforce. The first edition name is called, Essential Edition. Second one, Unlimited Edition. Third one, Professional Edition. Enterprise Edition. Developer Edition. Total how many editions, guys?
5
Hello.
editions.
5 editions. Now look at the screen. How can we know these editions? Go to Google, pricing, and editions of what? Salesforce. See, please type this. Pricing and editions of Salesforce. Look at this, all of you. What is the edition name here? First edition. Come on, all of you speak out.
Essential.
Second one.
Professional.
Professional.
Third one.
Enterprise.
Fourth one.
Unlimited.
Okay. What does the essential edition cost?
$25.
$25.
US dollars. US dollar. USD means US dollars. Per user per month. If you go for professional edition, how much?
$100.
$100 per month.
Per user per month. Enterprise edition,
$175
$75 per user per month. Unlimited, more expensive.
$325.
Per user per month. The companies like TCS, Wipro, Capgemini, CMM level 5 companies. Okay. Those kind of companies are using what? Come on. Unlimited edition or enterprise edition. Small companies having 300, 400 employees are working. Okay. Those people are using what? Either professional or essential. Clear, all of you? So version, edition to edition. Okay. Facilities are going to vary. What kind of facilities and what are the differences between all these facilities? I will discuss in future classes. All of understand?
Yes, sir.
But at this particular point of time, please try to understand what is edition and how many types of editions given by Salesforce. How many editions, guys? 5. Out of 5, how many showed? I have shown here how many?
4.
4.
What about the last one? What is the last one here?
Developer edition is free.
First
edition.
4 editions are paid editions, guys. Understand, all of you?
Yes, sir.
We have to buy the license from the Salesforce company. But whereas the developer edition is what?
Free.
Free edition.
Free edition.
So this is the edition. It is given by Salesforce freely for all of us. So this is the edition what we are using in the classroom. What is the edition name?
For edition.
Developer edition. Look at this, all of you. Developer.force.com. Developer. What is this?
Force.com.
Press enter button. Is all of you follows or not? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
We
sir.
are following.
Yes, sir.
Learn more in Spring 23. Click on what? Browse files. What is this? Salesforce. What is this?
Developer edition.
Sign up means we can create the account in Salesforce edition. Sign up for the Salesforce Developer edition. Click here. Everybody, please read this. Sign up for your
Sign up for your Salesforce Developer edition.
a full-featured copy of the platform for.
For free.
So this is the edition what we are using in the classroom. So developer edition is free edition or not?
Yes, sir.
Now all of you understand editions of Salesforce, Sectwell, Apeksha,
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Huh? everyone.
Yes, sir.
Now itself we can sign up, no, for this developer edition.
We can sign up later. I will tell you how to sign up and all. Okay.
Okay.
Don't sign up now. Chinmay, understand? Good.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So as of now, we discussed about 2 points. What is the first point here? Come on. Versions of Salesforce.
Edition of Salesforce.
Editions of Salesforce.
The third point is environments of Salesforce. What are the environments of Salesforce here? There are 2 types of environments in Salesforce. The first type of environment is called sandbox environment. Second one is called production environment. What is sandbox environment? Sandbox environment means it is purely
Used for testing purpose.
developers environment where developers can sit and develop the application as per the client.
Requirement.
Requirements.
That is the meaning of what here. Come on. Sandbox environment. It is purely developers environment where developers can sit and develop the application as per the client requirement. It's called what? Come on.
Sandbox.
I can say is purely PaaS environment. You know what is PaaS stands for?
Platform as a
Platform as a
service.
service.
Platform as a service. Here, there are 2 types of, I can say 3 types of sandboxes. How many?
3 types.
3 types of sandbox. One is configuration sandbox. Second one, developer sandbox. Third one is called full copy. And like that, we have 3 types of sandboxes. Configuration sandbox, developer sandbox, and full copy sandbox. Configuration sandbox, it is purely GUI. What does GUI stands for? Graphical user interface. Here, developer no need to write any programming or any write what? Come on, coding. We can develop the application completely through what? GUI. Understand all of you? Completely drag and drop, point and click. That's it. Developer no need to write any programming. We can develop the application through GUI here. I can say in Salesforce, 40% of application.
Actually, in other languages in Python or Java, GUI also in application programming, programmer only can able to write the code only.
Developer only. Yes, developer only.
But here Salesforce GUI part developer.
In Salesforce, programming part is very less.
Okay. So
40% of application we can develop through what? GA only. Of course, it is also developer's responsibility. But without writing the code, you can develop the application. That's what I'm telling you.
Only
Understand?
it will be in drag and drop only.
Just drag and drop. point and click. Just 40% of application we can develop through what?
GUI.
GUI. But if you take Java, almost 90% what? Coding. Coding part is more. But comparatively, Java, Salesforce coding part is very less. 40% of application you can develop through what? GUI. That is why the people who do not have any programming knowledge before, they can also easily understand Salesforce. Because programming part is very less. Understand all of you?
Yes.
You will understand?
Yes, understand.
Is anyone know about Java here? Please tell me. Don't bother, guys. I'm not going to ask any questions regarding Java. Frankly, tell me. Here, how many of you know about Java? Complete Java. Apeksha, Chinmay, Divya, Hariprasad, any one of you?
I know a little bit, sir, but not fully.
Okay. Do you know about application level programming in Java? Jdbc connectivity and all?
No, sir.
Nobody? Nobody knows here? See, guys, I'll show you one example here so that you can clearly understand how Salesforce programming language is very easy. Okay, see. Just for your idea purpose. Tell me, can I say this is user interface or not? Hello,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
it is.
Yes, sir.
this is front end screen. This is front end screen. In front of the front end screen, I'm the end user. I'm sitting here. Point clear, all of you?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So this is the user interface, or I can say front end user, front end screen. So here I'm going to fill the employee details. Employee name, employee salary, department number, and job. So let me enter the employee name, like SecWare. Salary, let me enter 90,000. Department number, 20. Job, maybe manager. So click on what button?
Save.
Save. If I click on save button, this record will save in the subject table or not, backend database table or not. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Click on save. So record gets saved here. ID automatically generated by system. Employee name 90,000, job, department number. Record stored here. Tell me, if I want to perform this kind of operation, okay, in Salesforce Apex, this is the code I written here. How many lines code I written? Hardly 27 lines code or 28 lines code. Yes or no?
Only for this
Absolutely.
GUI only. This application GUI. Front end.
This is front end. How many lines code? Max to max 27, 28 lines code. But the same kind of functionality, if you want to achieve in Java language or in some other language, minimum to minimum, you have to type 300 lines code. I can challenge. Because if you go for Java, you have to import so many files. We have to import so many libraries. We have to give Java database Jdbc connectivity from front end to back end. You have to write insert statement, insert query, SQL query. Yes or no? Minimum to minimum 300 to 400 lines code you have to write if you want to achieve this kind of functionality in Java. The same functionality I can achieve in how many lines code? Just 25, 27 lines code. What is various 300, 400 lines code, various 220 lines code. No comparison at all. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Everyone. All of you understand? So Salesforce is
Yes,
very
sir.
easy, guys. Programming is also very easy. Because 40% of application you can develop through GUI. Only little bit code. That is why non-technical persons also can easily understand what Salesforce. That is why don't bother. Maybe some people having the fear. Sir, I don't have any programming skills. Can understand Salesforce or not? I'm not technical background. Can I understand Salesforce or not? Can I get the job or not? No, don't bother about all. Everyone can easily understand sales. Understand all of you? This is the
Yes,
best
sir.
example. This is the live example. So 40% of application we can develop through what? GUI. That is computer configuration. Configuration sandbox. Second one is called what here? Come on. Come on. Developer sandbox.
Developer sandbox.
The developer sandbox. The developer sandbox. Okay. It is purely, I can say, what? Programming.
Programming, coding.
Here, developer develop the application through what? Coding. I can say 60% of application we can develop through what? For programming, Salesforce given their own programming language. The programming language name is called what? Here, Apex.
Apex.
Apex is a programming language, which is the proprietary language of which company? Salesforce company. Okay, for your understanding, you people know about SAP company? Hello? SAP. Is anyone here this name? Is SAP is a company or not?
Yeah, it's a vendor company.
Yeah, it's a vendor company. SAP company developed one of the programming language. What is the programming language of SAP company? Very good. ABAP. What is ABAP stands for?
Application.
No. Advanced Business
Application Programming.
Application Programming. What is SAP stands for? Anyone knows? Systems, applications, and products. Systems, applications, and products in data processing. Understand all of you? It's a German-based company. This company developed their own programming language. The programming language name is called what? ABAP. Same way, Salesforce company developed their own programming language name is called Apex.
Apex.
Now someone got it out. Sorry, what is the full form of Apex? Does anyone knows? What is the full form of Apex? What is the abbreviation of Apex? What is the abbreviation of ABAP?
Actually, it is no abbreviation for Apex.
What is the full form of Apex? Very good. No? No abbreviation for what? Apex. Apex is Apex only. Here, all of you. Next one. Full copy sandbox. What is full copy sandbox? Full copy sandbox, it contains the, replica. Replica means what? Duplicate. Copy of the original. Come on. It contains a duplicate copy of the original application. Actually, one of the copy of the original application, they placed in where? Full copy sandbox. Do you know why they placed in full copy sandbox? It is, meant for what purpose? Tell me, after develop the application, we need to test the application or not? Speak out all of you. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is anyone here this name? SDLC? SDLC stands for Software Development
Life cycle.
Life Cycle. When you develop any application for any company, we have to follow 4 phases. What is the first phase?
Analysis, testing,
Requirement analysis, sir.
Requirement analysis. Then after
analysis, development, and
Develop-
configuration and
after?
testing.
Testing,
Afterwards, maintenance.
deployment.
deployment,
After deployment, maintenance come into the picture. Understand? So total how many phases? 4 phases. So after development, we have to go for what? Testing. What is the meaning of testing? Testing means the process of checking whether the application is really meeting the client's requirement or no. After testing, we have to go for what? Deployment. What is the meaning of deployment? Deployment means someone need to mute, please. Moving the application from sandbox to production is called what? Deployment. So like that, sandbox means what? It's a developer's environment where developers can sit and develop the application. We have 3 types of sandboxes. What is the first one? Speak out, all of you. Configuration sandbox,
Configuration sandbox.
developer
Developer
sandbox,
Sandbox.
and full copy
sandbox.
sandbox. After the testing, we have to go for what? Deployment. Deployment means sandbox to production. So what is production environment here? Production environment means it is purely on client's environment, where client and client's employees are sitting and use the application. Understand the point here? It's called a production environment. It is purely client's environment where client and client's employees are sitting and use the application. Clear, all of you? But here I'm going to ask very simple question. Is client and client employees knows how to use the application? They don't know how to use the application. Yes or no? That is why there is another person who is always sitting at the production place. There is another person who is always sitting at the client place. That person, we can call him as super user, or the other way around, we can call him as what? System, administrator. And the point here, system administrator is a person who is always sitting at the client's environment. The next point, what I'm going to discuss is the roles and responsibilities of system administrator in real-time environment. And all of you. Hello. Guys, in Salesforce, we have 2 types of job profile. How many?
2.
One is developer job.
and
Administrator.
Admin.
Understand, all of you?
Yes.
In your syllabus, I'm going to cover both developer and as well as admin. Both I will cover in your syllabus. Understand the point here? Okay. So listen carefully and try to understand. In case tomorrow, if you got a job as an administrator in any company, what is your roles and responsibilities in that company? That is a point I'm going to discuss. It is very, very important. Listen to the class very carefully and try to understand what I'm speaking. If anyone not understand, please ask me. Understand? Don't hesitate. First point is the first role of the system administrator is, listen carefully. He is the person creating the user accounts. He is the person creating the roles and also, profiles, creating the roles and profiles. And also, he is a person granting. Granting means what? Giving the privileges. What is the meaning of privilege? Permissions to the users.
Permissions.
And revoke. Revoke means
Not allowing to
back
work
the
on that.
permissions.
Yeah.
Privileges from the users. And also he is performing data management operations. That is data import and data export operation.
Export.
Importing means moving the data from system to Salesforce.
Source.
Exporting means moving the data from Salesforce to
External system.
using some tools which is given by Salesforce, that is data import wizard, and the second one is called data loader. Understand the point here?
Yes.
Using these two tools, we can perform. We, in the sense, system administrator can perform what? Import and export operation. All we are going to cover in this session topic. Understand all of you? And after that, data automations and approvals. Data automations and approvals. Understand all of you?
Yes, sir.
Data automations and approvals. That is using some tools, that is workflows, process builder, flow builder, approval process. Very, very important. Especially flow builder is very important. Okay. Next one. Data analysis. That is called BA. BA stands for business
Business.
intelligence. That is reports and dashboards. Last and final one. Data security. Very, very important. Very crucial job of the system administrator. Data security. We can provide the security in different levels. That is application level security. That is called app level security. App level security, object level security, field level security, record level security, app level, tab level, object level, field level, record level. Before that, more thing, that is org level security. Under record level security, we have something like, OWDs, stands for organization wide faults, role hierarchies, and we have something like, sharing rules, manual sharing, okay, permission sets, queues, public groups, all comes under what here? Data security concept. Very, very crucial job of system administration. All these topics we are going to discuss in admin part. Understand all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It's a separate class, guys. Almost 10-15 days I will take only for administration. Clear all of you
Yes,
guys?
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
These are the topics
Yes,
I'm
sir.
going to cover.
Yes.
And these are the roles and responsibilities of system administration. Last almost 1 hour class. Today we discussed about 3 topics. What is the first one? Versions,
Versions of Salesforce, then editions
one?
of Salesforce,
additions.
Editions and environment.
Next one is what here?
and environment.
So I hope all of you understand all these 3 points today.
Yes, sir.
Or no? So regarding today's class, if anyone have any doubts, you can ask the questions. Any doubts from anyone? Apeksha, Umakant, Chinmay,
No,
Shaktivel,
sir.
Pavan,
This
Praveen
Salesforce
Kumar,
version only, core version only. So
only
every
3
year,
versions. Every
only
year,
3.
3 versions. Every year, 3 versions, depending on season.
Version to version, any future changes are there?
Definitely, there are some changes. Few changes, not big changes, not major changes. Okay, Sunita. So that's all about today's class. I hope all of you understand the class today.
Yes, sir.
So every day there is fixed 1 hour class, or it is extendable? I mean,
1 hour class
30
only,
minutes.
7 to 8, 7 to 8, exactly 1 hour.
And I mean, how many days the
3
duration
months
of this
course.
class?
So 3 months course.
And after that, we will also get the guidance for the certifications for any.
Yeah, that no
like-
problem. I'll give the guidance 100% from my side. Okay, don't bother.
Okay.
Sir,
I'm
about
going to-
placement, sir.
I'm going to cover total 6 modules. One is
Okay.
configuration, development, administration, no,
Integration,
administration,
administration.
here, total how many modules?
All of this including, all these modules include the Apex class also, right? So
Apex class is development.
is development part, right?
6 modules will cover. Span of how many months?
3 months.
Every day 7 to 8, Monday to Saturday.
Monday to
Saturday.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, what about placement, sir? Means about assistance.
I'll give the placement assistance.
Sir, shall we get any hands-on projects, sir?
I'll give the project after completion of the syllabus.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So, shall we meet tomorrow?
Sure, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
okay, so thank you.